Good morning to all of you.
Morning, sir. Good morning.
Ito yung mga another group of OJT students. They are all Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science. Good luck and God bless your trip, everyone. Salamat din sa ating mga piloto, Sir Dranreb and Sir Ulysses of the Kalinga State University, along with their professor, Ma'am Jam. Thank you po, thank you. Okay, again, nagpakada kayo mutlang? Okay, lalaing ka dyan, be alert. So with us here, with Sir RJ. Okay, good morning once again.